Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Welcome back, everyone, to another Bitcoin update. So here we are on the shorter time frame. Pretty much nothing has happened for the past month or so. It's been just kind of the same sideways range over and over, which can be pretty difficult and obviously very extended as well. We have our main scenarios like we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks in this A, B, C to the upside, in the white wave for that C wave, and a larger degree A, B, C to the upside, in which it could just be possible in a larger degree A wave could be technically all of our extended B wave rally. So A, B, and then a C for a larger degree A, B, C corrective move, where we could get a sell-off afterwards as well. Right now, we are currently still within this range as well. We have our trend lines I wanted to add in for this video just for a better focus, because as of right now, all of these numbers we see on the graph, for example, a 1-2 setup or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move or 5 wave move up in that C wave. Right now, all of this it's just kind of more of a roadmap and a probability of what could happen. As long as we are within our range, there isn't really too much we can do, and every structure that we kind of build is very obviously suspect to being broken, and it is very vulnerable to having that happen as well. So I try to add these numbers in just as a roadmap, not as a 100% guarantee this is what will happen. We have our support zones, we have our resistance, we have our trend lines. Those are kind of more of the main factors. We could always just get a slightly higher high, get rejected, and head lower as well. So that's kind of why we have to keep track of these movements, find 5 waves, and a lot more as well. Now, if we go to the shorter time frame, I just wanted to point this out as well. It does seem like we could have a very micro 5 wave move down. Obviously, I added this support zone for this as well, and what could be classified as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move down, where we could get a 1, 2, 3 wave move up. And then if, for example, that would form the 1, 2 setup to the downside, if we find a rejection and head lower, then that could be a indicator that we are getting rejected from this upper trend line, and we could go back to retest this lower trend line as well. Now, what happened in the last time, which was back in November through January, essentially, we were kind of forming the same pattern as well for Bitcoin, where we were getting higher lows and higher highs as well. Or sorry, not higher highs. We were kind of within that same trend line of higher lows, but most part not higher highs. We were just kind of getting rejected from that trend line. We could be forming something similar to this, where we had that initial bounce, then we just kind of go sideways, test the boundary line, rejection, and then maybe what could be happening now is here, like I just pointed out, we could get that higher high and get a rejection and sell off as well. That's always possible as well within this range, A, B, C, higher high, and then we can get that rejection if that orange scenario were to be playing out. Now, we really just have to let time do its thing. Everything is so undecided. We need a break above this wave high for this third wave as well to also indicate something more bullish could be playing out. And right now, it's really a time game. I mean, we've been in the same range for the last month, so I can understand why it could be frustrating for many people, but we have to let time do its thing. Resistance will break, support zones will break, structures will break. All we can do is look at our trend lines and really just kind of have to go based off of that in any micro 5 wave move up or 5 wave move down. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.